This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by getting the phone ready. Unlock it and confirm battery above 20%. You need the device PIN. Open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure developer options are enabled. Tap build number 7 times if required, because you may use USB debugging. If you prefer a simpler path, prepare a USB cable or OTG adapter and a PC with ADB installed. This gives you access to saved network files. You now find the saved networks. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, then Saved Networks. This lists SSIDs. Once you select a network, choose Share if available. The QR code often encodes the password you can scan with another phone. If Share is unavailable, use ADB on your PC. Enable USB debugging, connect the phone, and pull the system Wi-Fi config file. That file contains plain text SSIDs and PSKs on many Android versions. Make sure to follow permissions. You finish by revealing the password. Scan the QR code with another phone's camera app and note the password, or open the pulled WPA supplicant. Conf in a text editor and find PSK equals next to the SSID. Once done, copy the password into the target device and connect. If something goes wrong, make sure USB debugging is enabled, the PC has correct drivers, and that the phone isn't locked. If permissions block access, try OTG plus a file manager app on the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.